Well, hey everyone, I hope you guys are all having a great week. Happy spring. We are wrapping up our last week of our March series, Peace, Finding Peace in the Madness. And so we're wrapping that up this weekend. Our bottom line for this week is we can make peace with others because God made peace with us. We have 3 activities for 1st through 3rd grade this weekend. Our first activity is a game called Total Concentration. The idea is you can break the kids off into teams if you like, or you can have every individual go. They're gonna have about 5 to 10 to 15 little balls. They're small plastic balls, and they're gonna try and make them in a basket. And you're gonna time them for about 10 to 15 seconds, whatever you think works best for your group. The goal being to help them or to have them feel the hurry and the rush of the timer, so that they can really feel that chaos. So as soon as one kid goes, have the next kid go. Create that really fun, energetic, quick-moving game type feel. Because at the end of the game, you're going to make that transition and say, sometimes, or something along these lines, sometimes it's really hard to find the peace in life. And when we feel the rush and we feel the chaos of life, we can struggle to find peace, but finding peace is still possible. And then that transitions over to our memory verse activity. Every kid's going to get one of these activity sheets. If you notice, there's dotted lines on here where they're going to cut out. Before they cut, they're more than welcome to color it in if you have pencils or color pencils or crayons, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to do that, that's fine too. They're going to cut these out, and they're going to put every piece inside of the plastic bag, a small Ziploc bag that you're going to give them, and you're going to encourage them to take it home. And then throughout the week, as they need to be reminded of peace, you can use this as a reminder that we can find peace with God. And so that's our memory verse activity. And the last thing that we have is just some prayer and dismiss. The part of the prayer this week is asking the kids if they would, or anyone would like to pray. And so if you have no one raise their hand and want to pray, that's totally fine. If you have 2 kids, let them both pray. Other than that, that's all I have. As always, you guys, we want them to memorize the bottom line. And if you have some time, we want them to memorize the memory verse as well. But that bottom line is really important, because when they leave there and their parents ask them, what did they learn? We want that to be the one thing that they repeat back to their parents. Cool. Have a great week, guys. If you have any questions or need anything, feel free to ask your director. Thanks.